Now, the test is very easy to do. Let me take you through home test kit and the steps that you need to take. For some of you watching this may be first time you have seen a kit. For others, treat this like a refresher course that will give you even more confidence when you are talking to people about it. And we shouldn't be shy to talk about something that could save a life. So the first thing you do is just open the kit. Lay everything out and familiarize yourself with what's inside. It's that simple. Tell people not to be afraid to look through the kit because unlike making a coffee, you can't mock it up. Get them to check expiry date. Then they can go ahead, fill out their details in the little tube label. What recommended is reminding people to take the kit into the bathroom because that way when you are there, when you're ready to go, it's right there.